Goal setting is a key component of success in any area of life, whether it's personal, academic, or professional. Psychologists have long studied the strategies and techniques that help individuals set and achieve their goals. One popular psychological approach to goal setting is known as the SMART framework. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. By setting goals that meet these criteria, individuals are more likely to stay motivated and take the necessary actions to achieve their objectives. Specific goals are clear and well-defined. Instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," a specific goal would be, "I want to exercise for 30 minutes, 3 times a week." Measurable goals allow individuals to track their progress. For example, a measurable goal would be, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 2 months." Achievable goals are realistic and within reach. Setting goals that are too overwhelming or unrealistic can lead to frustration and failure. Relevant goals are aligned with an individual's values and long-term aspirations. For example, if someone values financial security, setting a goal to save a certain amount of money each month would be relevant to their values. Time-bound goals have a deadline and a sense of urgency attached to them. Without a set time frame, goals can become open-ended and lack the motivation needed for achievement. In addition to the SMART framework, psychologists emphasize the importance of breaking down larger goals into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach, known as chunking, helps individuals stay focused and motivated by creating a sense of progress and achievement with each completed task. Furthermore, psychologists suggest using positive reinforcement and rewards to reinforce goal-directed behavior. Rewards can be both intrinsic, such as the satisfaction of accomplishing a goal, or extrinsic, such as treating oneself to something enjoyable after completing a task. Overall, goal setting and achievement are psychological processes that require focus, motivation, and perseverance. By using the SMART framework, breaking goals into manageable tasks, and implementing positive reinforcement, individuals can maximize their chances of success in any endeavor.